My name is James Langmaid. I'm the National Operations Manager at Myfreight IQ. Myfreight is a freight management and software business that's been in operation for 30 years, primarily in Australia. We are currently on a mission to expand overseas, starting with New Zealand, but very shortly into the United States. Our customers gain significant benefit through being able to make appropriate choices or stop incorrect choices, more to the point, with freight. So they get control through alerts and scheduled reporting, allowing them to make decisions proactively rather than reactively. So we can see here we've got a very basic suite of reporting for a client, My Parcel Crafty Beer in this case for the moment. So standard set of reports that we set up for all of our clients. When we commence, we brand it with their logos. One thing to note is that we don't hide the Domo branding. We don't hide that partnership. We're quite proud of it. We openly tell our customers that. So basic reporting such as this here in Australia is actually rare in the transport industry. It is very backward in that space. So we're able to allow our customers to monitor their freight in real time, utilising the core components of our system, but also in feeding that data into Domo. It has taken our clients away from a weekly or monthly carrier reporting cycle into having data available to them in real time as freight is consigned. We also utilise, as standard, the scheduled reporting features in the system, so that our customers have the reports essentially daily in their inbox before they start the day. And we also use that scheduled reporting feature to provide some specific reports for our clients. Outstanding consignments might be one example, where the client gets a notification of any consignments that were due for delivery but haven't yet been delivered. It allows them to be proactive with their customers, contact the carrier, advise them that there may be an issue with their delivery. The alerting function is also another one that we make significant use of through the platform as well. Again, this really improves the customer experience of our customers' in terms of they can notify them before or as issues occur. They can prevent freight from leaving a warehouse if it's been selected on the wrong carrier, too expensive, service parameter doesn't meet the requirements of the job. And this allows a logistics manager to stop and fix the issue before the freight leaves the warehouse, before it's too late to do anything about it. One issue to all of this in terms of sharing this data with our customers in our instance is data protection. How do we prevent other clients from accessing another client's information through here? So there are 3 actions that we take to mitigate the risk of clients stumbling across each other's data in Domo, given that they're all in the same instance. The first step is ETL. So we've got a very basic data flow here where we've just filtered out customer information and created their own data flow. The second step we take is PDP, data permissions through here. So again, we've got a PDP user set up, test customer in this case, and they are restricted to just data relating to their customer. Quite simple to set up, just a filter on the customer name and a simple filter access type. The third part is user access. None of our end users, our client end users, have access above participant level in the system. The issue of a client being able to potentially access another client's data is very relevant here. I'm now logged in as an end user for this particular customer, and just by running a simple filter, I can see here that I've got Myfreight United Brewery and My Parcel Crafty Beer as client options, when in fact I only belong to My Parcel Crafty Beer. Now I can run the filter and it may not show any of the data in here, given that a lot of that's cut out by the ETL, but still it's not a good look internally when you can see other customers in there and potentially get into that data through drill down levels and filters. Okay, so in this screen here, We are configuring the PDP, personalized data permissions for our customer. So at the moment, the permissions aren't enabled. We've configured it just quite simply on the customer name, a simple access filter. Through here, we'll apply that, and then we can enable the PDP. So now in this customer instance, we can see that the customer has been locked down so that they can only see their data through here utilizing PDP. Domo has removed the necessity for spreadsheets in the bulk of our reporting. It's set and forget. We set it up in line with the client's expectation, and then we leave it. In previous role, I would have spent the vast majority of my week just preparing reports. Also, for us as a business, it was quite significant. We're getting real-time data and analytics on our own business. We use it internally across all of our teams. Particularly through COVID, it was really beneficial to us to every day receive a report in our inbox which highlighted all of the relevant figures. We didn't need to panic. We were making decisions based off fact. We had plans in place to deal with COVID. We never had to enact any of them, and there was no mad rush to try and find this data and produce these reports. It was already there at our fingertips. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and hearing how we leverage Domo to provide our customers with real-time insights and greatly improve customer experience. Thanks all.